Debt can have a profound impact on men's mental health, often in ways that are deeply intertwined with societal expectations, personal identity, and emotional well-being. Here's a breakdown of how debt affects mental health in men and the common reasons they may fall into serious debt. Let's get into it. How debt affects men's mental health. 1. Shame and stigma. Men are often socialized to be providers, problem solvers, and financially stable. Debt can challenge these identities, leading to intense feelings of shame, failure, or inadequacy. Many men suffer in silence, avoiding conversations about their financial troubles due to fear of judgment. 2. Anxiety and chronic stress. Carrying debt, especially when it's unmanageable, creates a constant background of stress. Men may worry about how to pay bills, support a family, or maintain appearances. This persistent anxiety can affect sleep, concentration, decision-making, and even physical health. 3. Depression. Overwhelming debt can lead to feelings of hopelessness and loss of control, key triggers of depression. When debt feels insurmountable, some men may begin to feel like they have no way out, which can increase the risk of suicidal thoughts. 4. Strained relationships. Financial struggles often lead to tension in romantic relationships, conflicts with family, or withdrawal from social circles. Men may isolate themselves due to embarrassment or frustration, worsening feelings of loneliness or disconnection. 5. Avoidance and coping mechanisms. Some men may cope with debt by avoiding bills, substance use, overworking, or engaging in risky financial behavior like gambling, which can further worsen the situation. Common reasons men get into serious debt. 1. Job loss or underemployment. Sudden job loss or a drop in income is one of the leading causes of debt. With financial responsibilities still in place, savings can quickly run out, especially for men who may feel pressure to avoid seeking help. 2. Business failure. Entrepreneurship can be risky. Men who invest heavily in their own ventures may accumulate business-related debt, especially if they're reluctant to walk away or admit failure. 3. Medical expenses. Unexpected health issues, whether their own or a loved one's, can lead to overwhelming medical bills, especially in countries without universal health care. 4. Divorce or separation. Legal fees, child support, alimony, and the cost of maintaining two households can result in significant financial strain after a relationship breakdown. 5. Lifestyle inflation and social pressure. Men may feel pressure to maintain a certain image, car, house, social life, even when it's beyond their means. This is especially common in cultures where masculinity is closely tied to material success. 6. Gambling or addictions. Some men fall into debt due to addictive behaviors such as gambling, substance abuse, or compulsive spending. These issues are often tied to deeper emotional struggles or unresolved trauma. 7. Lack of financial literacy. Without strong budgeting, saving, or credit management skills, many men unknowingly take on more debt than they can handle, particularly with credit cards, payday loans, or predatory lenders. Conclusion on this topic. Breaking the cycle starts with reducing the stigma around financial vulnerability. Men need safe spaces to talk about money without judgment. Professional support from financial advisors, therapists, or debt relief programs can make a meaningful difference. Encouraging open conversation, realistic planning, and emotional support are critical steps in helping men manage debt and protect their mental well-being. Links in the description for more useful info. See you all next time.